Abusia ha Island Media Ghana. Jumedi fufura edebremu ya tuni di Life in Abroad. Life in Abroad juma ya ne abusuafo omo abrochire edi nkomo ehwe omo asetenemu na omo be share omo experience bebre ebesua nneoma bebre na afimu ebi ya adwuma sem ebi ya kwantum sem awaresem na bebre na yebesua afi sa program enti ebesa say na ne da edikan obay program so a obay subscribe to your channel no na wa like it na wa share ama afoforo anya bi ahwe. Okay, nti abusia your sister Jackie and no ehia wa say sister Jackie am say oba na osu akakranti na twi no enye papa but obo no modern until the twi no brofo no ebe fra man sister Jackie am akwaba eba Island Media but udi ankasa the same
we did akosia se wakoto
it's Ghana ufi hifansa
you want me
Kumasi. To ya Santini.
Me Santini.
Oh, pure.
Me papa dini Kusiapo.
Kusiapo. No mama so.
Brobe.
Brobe. Oh, okay. Na oba kroma year be na oba.
Me ba ha 96 into me ba ha 1976. Me ba ha je.
1976 crowd na ya home. Okay. So ba New York ya na watina.
You buy me by New York. I'm started first grade. In Tikroma I'm started first grade.
New York. Now I Fabai. Flatbush.
First you started
Queens.
Eastern Parkway.
Oh,
Eastern
okay.
Parkway, Brooklyn.
Okay.
You call Flatbush.
Oh, okay.
Brooklyn I'm until we call college.
Okay. So go college when?
Because Stony Brook. Long Island.
Oh, okay. And Tina now your program be now your Stony Brook.
Because Stony Brook we are nursing, and me graduated from Stony Brook 1993.
Wow.
32 years.
Oh, yeah, nurse.
My nurse.
Oh, and our experience here. It's 32 years as a nurse. What does you a nurse?
Me a nurse. Me near Juma hospital, so me a nurse. Me born for so more we yadi. Say become once a man.
Aye.
Into me one for all me yadi. Me to me chromo ways that will make to me as on one yadi. Without a neuro. And so on say who used to neuro. To me wow. And so as a wow yet the SO yeah.
Oh yeah.
So on fair a drone. Now when you're there so yeah. So be yadi.
Yeah.
You become one.
Enti also when you adwuma hospital na omyele no mutu aka na.
Well, my year adwuma hospital a chair.
Okay.
So say I say me no be year adwuma a 1-to-1 and it
okay.
A private.
Private. Oh, okay. There no son of anything.
And it life nipa p friend life coach and I say lifestyle medicine practitioner.
Oh, okay.
And you become one say lifestyle medicine practitioner.
Okay.
And price and also to say insurance.
Okay.
And so me say me call for the municipal.
And
so me no be here juma and also crowd.
So we number of pen ahead man now Ghana for the busy.
See I me Ghana for be here juma and so mostly on mom in Ghana for.
Okay. Okay. Okay, and young come kakra say a lifestyle medicine I don't know then.
So almost say a lifestyle medicine now. Well lifestyle now no and then to me to say what me use to say a draw.
Okay.
In my example. So diabetes. Right? Almost say a chroma there, United States almost say diabetes and hypertension a lifestyle disease.
Okay, I say we live a brabona obono. We did mu unum ubenum so drink. And then one down there.
And then amount diabetes and hypertension.
Oh, okay.
It is a lifestyle medicine practitioner. They say me what to me you so lifestyle changing. Let's say diabetes. Diabetes is probably a number 1 in lifestyle medicine.
Okay.
We did it they all kind of
unemu.
Nina kaho.
And then one no many are there.
I said you become
Ebeka
nina so your lifestyle medicine ultimate chire obi the way or me I change
life.
I change life. Diabetes in particular number one. And Ghana so obia with diabetes and hypertension.
I say more. It's okay. Nti ana no de ayin na wo pese e kan wasem.
And that me pese me can hypertension.
Hypertension.
Because hypertension no and this stroke by.
This stroke, okay.
And Ghana there be what say wait when you stroke. When so in your stroke. When so in your stroke. And team pese me can hypertension wasem.
Okay. And hypertension, you can hypertension and yarabenya.
So because of hypertension, you're feeling blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure, no, it's me costly. Now the way blood pressure costly now, wakoma no a pumpo mojano. Din fast. And senti na veins na walk throughout your body, you know. That mojane a pounding into say a pounding. Example, so ubuefua utimi who say na akoma na pump. And so be our high blood pressure there. Sa pumping no debia.
Okay.
And a hypertension almost friend is silent killer.
Silent killer.
See you started can stroke on one sema whole no be who say a silent killer. Now hypertension no me P in the bar.
Okay. Now my bit to saying.
Okay. First thing sometimes it was genetic.
Okay.
So mommy
genetic na say the wo.
Yeah, the wo.
Okay.
And so the wo and yes it doesn't mean so stop in your hypertension no.
Okay.
Because what did him it me ma hypertension no. They kind of saying. So what did him so my more hypertension now should you would and yes so benya hypertension.
Okay.
So still you're fed a predisposition who bit me anya so one you careful.
Because me I will be idea woman
and diabetes no so and hypertension no say what did him pressure to set tension weight alcohol and okay.
Appetition.
Alcohol.
So I say we track akra bia obedidi a obi o ha bia o pensa ba obedidi a we track akra and also hard.
See the thing with lifestyle medicine in there. We BB one time and I say every once in a while to say we party na wonum sakakra. And no Emma when yadi.
Okay.
Na debia so wonum sa debia and I'm hypertension. Number one thing you in Chile.
And
Ghana for your pension.
A pension there.
Kobe.
A hanching more money. And chili
sardines.
And chili
corned beef.
And chili
salty beef. The only normal.
You corned beef one.
There be beef now. The normal. Aye. Nina and Chile.
Okay.
Okay. And Chile number one. The way and Chile mau hypertension. So would the and Chile pia. Sometimes now succumb.
Oh,
now heart and essay pump it essay pump my insulin in free body.
And chill mom na ma so. First na em kwala dey bia udi banku as a banku na yesi ajinsuo. Nti udi banku a na unum so sa na sustain you for the whole day.
And the banku ni dey modu. Dey bia essa unumsio and so and chin particularly so swimming so swimming now so swimming let's say how do you say sea
apple
over out now one I wrinkle because and put on a show and put on and chew
oh sir
son and two baby and children a pensio
okay
and so udi and chipia now body ne friends you now nums you sometimes now on say
at okay
when he my how do you say tofu senti enchine particularly very very important.
Okay.
Ghana for.
Hey, Ghana for the pension power.
Yeah, no pension.
Because enchine there, almost can be say onyimo anya de. Enimo anya de.
Me tia say.
One more town you know. Enimo anya de. As I say, one fan china and two aduane mu a.
And yes, I meant fine enchine too because Ghana, because temperature in hot no. We get sweaty pee.
Oh yeah.
We need enchine. And so we didn't go abomunum. So we appreciate my favorite. We appreciate. What did you go nyadwan?
Nyadwa yeah.
Now the Kobe aka home.
Kobe yeah.
Atoso. What the money
atwim. And chine cross would be begu say ebi abaya pesi a wo de onu na wo de chine begusu. Na body out in chine begusu.
Be out in chine begusu.
Nti chine dosu.
Chine dosu.
Nti na say number 1 a year ebetimi prevent when say ebeti yanchine so na say.
Chine so.
And I mean the cry.
David, and Chile, obetimi atoso. Say na independent. So obi bam hona your lifestyle medicine. So all prevent here one thing.
Okay.
Or hypertension, so it's be different.
Okay.
Alright. So all prevent here. And that's how we try and Chile so kakra.
Okay.
So what hypertension? And we training more.
We training more. Okay.
Now what hypertension so you dear drama for side drone.
Okay.
Say my draw drone because hypertension sometimes me will chart to be. You were different levels of hypertension.
Okay.
You were stage 1 and stage 2.
Okay.
So you the picture.
There was an mom, you know.
Okay. You were stage 1 and stage 2.
Okay.
So normal blood pressure 120 over let's say 70 or 80.
Okay.
Not on a big catcher.
Normal one.
Aye.
Okay.
Now, so we'll start to say orchestra at 120, 130 over 80.
Okay.
And the crowd, so still you're okay. Stage 1, yeah, 130, 140 over 90. So it'll be a 130 or 140 over 90. Sandy Pakor, Mekajan said, to insurance.
So. Okay.
Pressures, or stresses. So.
Stress.
And sleep.
Okay. Wonder.
Ghana for me feels that not any important, but not is almost as important as in children because so with that now body repair. Repair.
Into adults and say be a penny. How many hours now? Like a year normal say be a day no bet me answer our sleep no.
And so penny almost 6 to 8.
6 to 8. 9
and 10 almost a dozen too much.
Okay.
And 6 to 8.
6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours.
Every night.
Every night.
Okay.
That's what to me that.
I know so double amount for board double near day. I had you.
I had almost said studies that I just said mama ye juma najo. Omo high chance of stroke.
Mama ye juma najo.
Because omana. Omana. E bia no sutina they be out to Ghana near walk from her or Ghana when you stroke because anajo ejuma it's me hypertension.
Okay. But so if you are ejuma najo but obafia to me da and no
omo be fia me to me da and say nipa pi omo be fia omo na
on that
they omo back to school omo ye way and also call school and also years for be 5-6 years is not bad. And so it beat me in 30 years.
30 years.
And no na trouble never.
Ever.
So you for short time to say 5-6 years on my young. We do go school until we year juma najo. You know, woman who said so we in 20-30 years na it problems, you know. And so we year juma so najo. And yes on did to say during the day.
During the day.
Because who fear who did it.
Okay.
And I don't know ye juman so who did it.
Did it. So you man na journey say who did it.
And yes BB light.
BB light. Hey, I want for na me ye man na jona. I want for the moon. Obi kra the dokuno ne ade. By that pesi. And then
and so during the day who did it?
Aye.
Na Jun so who did it.
Who did it? So na don't know ye adwuma nti wo call up and down ne ade.
So who did it let's say 8.
Yeah.
Why would you do 8? And just so did you 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Okay.
And no one says so unum sure and I say unum baby. Because
okay. Apart from and pressure, what's the pressure on?
Tension.
And tension. Then beam na hypertension.
So you can say obia
under so it me eboa.
And weight. Say Ghana for the mope weight. You pay weight.
So as a we yakasi ana chese wuti na we sika osmadwo. Na wo so tia obi hia was ada na so atisa na chese ase wo how adwendwene da so na ade.
Oh, mukasa cheme all the time. Home ya. Me ya oyade ni why time when you
ni kurukura tete no.
Anyway. Wait till so come.
Wait. I say I share wait.
I say we share wait. And you bia no be to say what we can say. Tra na say fear. And you bia no be sir.
Okay.
Because utimi hu ne family. Obia so.
Okay.
And obia will waiter normal.
Okay.
So obi na say obia will family. Yes. Yeah, different thing. Kasia.
So natural ni sama muti.
Natural.
Okay.
Natural say exercise. Kind of woman exercise. And so there be TikTok so.
Adaje o.
YouTube.
Adaje.
Because say
so we hear double. We hear adwuma ukwa ha oba ha. Time be na go exercise.
Maybe catch you. Maybe exercise. Me call YouTuber. Na matro 15 minutes exercise.
Okay.
Ubenya be 1,000 videos. So 15-minute exercise, press here. Share exercise in 15 minutes no every.
Okay.
Why you exercise? Why you stretching? Why you be because say sometimes Ghana for me to TikTok so I'm to YouTube so me to turn for 5 hours.
Right.
So no more share videos, no more share videos. And the exercise time or
to bet me say time opa say maybe a 15 minutes exercise be cry na uko YouTube na u follow
na me exercise. Sometimes you get 30 minutes, sometimes you get 45, sometimes you get hour.
Okay.
Bet me anya anytime or 10 minutes crowd bet me anya. Now so type it 10 minutes exercise, okay. 10 minutes stretching. Me dem me walking. So bet me I link my own one. Me walking.
Okay.
Until walking no bet me in one place. I walk
for 15 minutes.
Not 10 minutes, 10 and I said 15 minutes. No,
oh, okay.
Now I sound called TikTok and I can show videos.
I show video. Okay.
So why you exercise. And if you pay fees, me exercise.
Yeah. And
so bet me because you wasted 2 hours, 3 hours, Facebook, minding people business.
So answer I'm saying because I say I'm on for be adwene say be say okọ gym.
Debbie.
Na gym say be oni adaje o de be kọ gym because okọ adwuma oba o de nkwala ko school or yes say ene ho nko no ba bebre enti no so na sister Jackie e che no say wo kọ YouTube a obetimi ahwehwe exercise e wo ho na waye busu ha Island Media egusu aye ne sister Jackie egusu aye su ade efa lifestyle nyoma ye life ema ye yare bebre nti ebi ne hypertension or diabetes and a stroke nti na ye hwe hypertension ebreba mo a enwi a da foforo be san ahwe diabetes and dey keka na ye hu say hypertension nyoma e cause hypertension no enchine bebre it my hypertension lack of exercise and also my hypertension and a stress say sleeping yeah lack of sleep one down so alcohol ne dey asemo alcohol nso my it my mama hypertension enti na mama yenhwe sanoma ne ye enti sesi ano
me can be me can home.
Okay.
The reason why So hypertension, very, very important. Say you share one some kind. Okay. Because it's me my heart attack. Heart failure. Kidney damage. You to Ghana for pure dialysis. What the dialysis are? Usually it will be all hypertension and one share home.
As a man.
Okay,
the hypertension and lead to
kidney disease.
Kidney disease.
And the amount ultimately called dialysis. Now dialysis, no, we call dialysis. That means the kidneys in your juma.
Okay.
Say in your juma, I say you do bomb machine so. My machine
a filter blood no. Okay.
Obi our dialysis so usually 10 years.
10 years.
Untimi near dialysis for 20-30 years until say call that point we call dialysis. Sometimes you know your kidney transplant and I say it's a dialysis and you be only in long term. Okay. Not call dialysis so. Say with hypertension. And you know call dialysis so mostly.
Mostly, okay.
Hypertension is very important. No sooner mouth stroke.
You
become stroke for once.
Okay.
And in the mouth heart failure.
Okay.
Hypertension I say your pen once.
Okay.
I said back could be a number percent because some that may consider a lifestyle medicine and I may help my use lifestyle to sell
okay. The sound okay.
And so me percent may consider say hypertension. Not doctor ma federal. Say hypertension, let's say you kind of say blood pressure 140/90 and your first stage hypertension to your mouth into your mouth. Now say mouth and no, it doesn't give you the you can't start eating in Chile.
So your mouth draw.
The mouth draw. They make us blood pressure 140/80. And first level hypertension.
Okay.
Your mouth draw. And yet after now ube in Chinipi. Because we do in Chinipi, it's me mouth pressure on the call 180/100. And
so another crisis. Wow.
Now I call 180/100 now for a drone as a drone of the mount in your juma. Because the drone at the mount for 140/90.
Okay.
And your mouth draw be a small milligrams, very small dose.
Okay.
Who start to in China? Until can say, oh, me were drawn to me decobi, and I said me could DBB in Chin P womb because a drone at the mount for 140/90.
Okay.
And yeah, Juma.
Okay.
And yes, be very, very careful.
Okay.
Right? And so and also hypertension is still that's all ODD properly. SO exercise.
Exercise.
Oda. You know, sometimes alcohol. Limit. Ghana for there. Catch so many and alcohol and limit. Limit.
Oh, tisu kakra. Okay.
Tisu P.
Tisu.
Tisu.
And kakra.
Tisu P. Especially so hypertension. Tisu. So, party, you be an party.
And I always smoke. And also to me,
cause Ghana form smoke pee.
Cigarette, and I win
about Ghana pa.
You see, I crazy baby the shisha name one.
Chemicals pee.
Yeah. And no crowd of young guys, shisha name one.
And and they be your drugs. And your cigarettes.
I don't need a drug.
A chroma there, since me buy D6. Me talk Ghana so me take Ghana.
Okay.
A chroma there smoking the nipple pee, especially New York being smoking beer. Nipple pee at least cigarette. Nipple pee into me. I tend to forget, and so cigarette here is a big deal.
Big cigarette. I'm up for so Ghana phones
be smoking.
Be mobile to me for one pack in a day.
Wow. And it's a lung cancer, cancer. Almost say lung
cancer. Okay.
It's a big deal. And so, you hypertension, hypertension, and so Ghana 4P nya stroke.
Okay.
And you become stroke on
Stroke,
so one can say hypertension is silent killer.
Okay.
Omo can stroke because sometimes when I'm hypertension only. And the chance be a when you be a so this man your sound machine be a na say be bet me I take pressure. Take pressure. Because sometimes what you mean obi a in the bush second from cancer obi a in the bush.
Like
Meaning like
be an
all the time.
All the time. Okay. Quick tempered.
Quick tempered.
Okay.
Sandy usually or hypertension.
Oh.
And they won't know. But who I know and your stroke.
Okay.
And so stroke is the number one side effect of hypertension.
Okay.
Stroke it comes in two ways.
Okay.
The way stroke the way stroke happens is that moja na pumping din no. Well vessels no e weak.
Blood vessels
in weak.
Okay.
Like that's the that's what happens to the kidneys. And my kidneys you know so you weak. The blood you know echo like this pumping din no. Now vessels now you weak. Until usually the brain.
The brain, okay.
Usually the brain. Until the vessels in your weak, not still a pump. Now vessels not be now we're bleeding.
Bleeding, okay.
So there's two kinds of stroke. One a clot.
Okay.
Now a blocker vessels. Now more intimate call.
Okay.
The part of the brain. So more call her either with say vessels new break here. Now say a clatter. Still blood in the part of the brain.
Okay.
Sentina, so being a stroker, that part of the brain it dies.
Okay.
And different parts of the brain affects different parts.
Okay. Until I might be as there now what side now Jojo.
Right. So say black left side, right side. Now left side.
Jojo.
So left side now right side. And so sometimes stroke it to me black vision.
Vision, okay.
Say what anima it's a frontal and know your memory
loss
and memory and speech sometimes woman to me kasa
okay.
So obi a stroke
on to
kasa on to me nante and sometimes a chair be damage on to me and breathing
okay
and a chair need sometimes a bar nipa need to me move right away. Because me
okay.
Stroke is a very very important. You nipa P Ghana no also better when you stroke.
When you stroke.
Better when you stroke. We know the almost drag on home.
So a stroke ni hypertension in lead to.
Hypertension is number one for stroke.
Lead to stroke no.
And nipa P in Ghana with hypertension on winning.
Wow.
Because sometimes better now will be when you say oyade. No in your stroke. Because hypertension.
Okay.
And the hypertension is very, very important. That's what I'm friend the silent killer. And so only machine the crabia. As a lifestyle, in a way. Only
to me the aquatia away no. Hypertension. It is the wedding kind hypertension that lifestyle being obey bit me aboa ma wetumi reduce way ni kakra.
So then cause more hypertension. Me exercising.
By exercise.
And chine me try and chine at least half. So me fair draw me try to have. So no apesia. You saw the chine go. What in chine go abom and chine one nam no. So one thing
no say na madam for be say ono apese na na so the kobi ye or the kobi no to no so apese no so na on fan chine ngo because enchine o kobi ni mu ebekọ
right. And so most people chine go body any by ye no no me chine go nyado
no
no me kobi na
kobi so asan
no me super echimu kaka.
And I had
apese my favorite I know.
Send no money at the NCC and the answer who were Jumano and anything when it come to.
And it is so, so be friendly.
So be hypertension now per se like.
It is sometimes, mitimisha ne labs.
labs.
So or call doctor na man the labs. Na me to me a share the lab. To me share the sodium. Na say the vitamins. Vitamins very important.
Okay.
Vitamins. Me to me share ni na me to me say okay, well vitamins we yourself away in yourself away.
Okay.
Me to me share what draw. Na me teach you what draw no.
Okay.
And sometimes I've done it before. Me to me know yeah juma na o pressure the bar so low o call na doctor na you were free.
Oh, okay.
Nti ubetimi yes hypertension ni diabetes there. Ubetimi asa ohun yade.
What the lifestyle betimi
lifestyle betimi.
Wow. Because chronic.
Say chronic means it's all the time. But chronic doesn't mean permanent.
Okay. They just even cross which new lifestyle na say ebia e ba for man. Now also come back I be say aba.
Aye. Say a lifestyle.
And this info ne maame mu ne ade be say o ye tua ne nchene. O ka say tua bi nchene out here.
Oh, of course.
Ye tua ne mako. Ntina no sa no. That just say obetumi ebedu stage bi abetumi answer.
It depends. So hypertension, if it's because of stress and weight and all of stress, weight and sleep.
Okay.
So what to me decrease weight in the kakra. Now what to me start to say oh die. Sometimes no me and to me ma hypertension
okay.
So what stress pa na let's say be stress and a such adena says stop pressure into me back from.
Okay.
Pressure in their lifestyle disease. It said diabetes. Say ujai certain you need D or the times you eat her. Diabetes need to make up. Yeah, helping a nipple P with diabetes. And so start here besamba. Because it's a result of your lifestyle.
Okay.
It's a result of the lifestyle. And so you can to me. And no maybe you don't have to have high blood pressure.
And on say Ghana for say ye pay bidro na ade. Unu e bidro.
Absolutely.
Helps.
Of course.
Herbal medicine.
And
say obi o sa say that o ka say labs ni wadro na ade no. So obi ebi o no akọje edun bi o Ghana na say bi akọ Ghana akọtọ edun bi na onu ma no ene hydro no who ne say
me a very big believer in natural medicine.
Medicine. Okay.
And so herbal no you have to take it, you have to add lifestyle to it.
Okay.
Unto me for herbal and smoke 10 packs of cigarettes a week. Because herbal no it will work too.
Okay.
Nina lifestyle. Your lifestyle medicine crap. The people who practice lifestyle medicine, use herbals.
Okay.
Use mostly herbal.
Okay.
And see, say it depends in Pakro. It depends on your lifestyle, the foods you like. To me recommend it.
Okay.
And you know, and normal. And herbals also. Herbals as well. So Ghana you can't take herbal. What do you mean for herbal? Then continue lifestyle now SAD disease.
Okay. Okay.
Because they do that a lot.
So the draws in
okay.
Wait me
didi. Yeah. And so you can't overdo it. It's a kind. So pressure near 140 over 90, name I drew for 140 over 90. So could do in chin P neco 180 over 100. And so you have to do lifestyle. Exercising, sometimes we exercise now we sweat here. And chine, so sometimes we say sweating now and sweating and taste sweating now.
Yeah.
And chine,
yeah.
Since exercise near my hypertension.
Oh, okay.
Exercising.
No, just and chine I want who might be about.
Certain exercise here my hypertension. It's and chin about.
Okay.
So it's very important. Stroking it. Certain I Ghana for people stroke no. Almost hypertension now, almost they're not paying attention.
Yeah. Na nduane no so nchene nko a. Na a friend is saying, ade ba ko I don't know, yanka ho asem, I oil angwa. So nduane bebre ay angwa fish yache ay koko yache bayre chicken nyina o say ano yache ano so
and so I think this is something to Ghana, but this is my assessment.
Okay.
And no my yache no new. Because what I'm trying to say is that I feel style be yache.
Okay.
And so before now we used to now we incline. Now we continue to
uchi from
I feel be yache fast. So I know your new thing.
Okay.
Right? It's true. I feel I'm a fry every beer and so there will be some kind of frying everything in yeah.
Okay.
Because I want oil now you did background no and you're the best.
Okay.
And it's over to me to say which man to toe na man. Which man to toe cocoa. And you have a cocoa and cut it.
Yeah.
So to me to toe cocoa na a chance o cocoa.
And then you have wedding.
I guess I love it.
As you can find there's a restaurant who could do fried rice,
see, that's
chicken.
The problem.
And they would do rich.
I think I know your problem because you associate we associate rich foods with being rich. This rich, to say cocoa yatutu. Ghana for we think is a poor man's food. Sometimes when needs to get so chopper, fried rice and the chicken but yet debia.
Okay.
And so sometimes you can't have everything be ultimately be bia a journey bia yachi bayre yachi chicken yachi fried rice. So and one day we do and next time, one time you back on one one day.
Cholesterol.
Cholesterol.
Yeah.
Cholesterol. And I got for your pen and numb.
And numb.
And numb the
cholesterol. A punch numb
ne. Numb the cholesterol.
No pa punch. Nah.
I don't eat meat.
Oh, you don't eat meat? Wow.
And Ghana she doesn't eat meat.
A punch nam ni was a Ghana for a bush meat, a punch, a crantier, a train,
oh, Nina,
but
and so
we didn't crabby.
So the young choir is saying quite the own fun and one be uncount.
Yeah. So
the young choir, who do you student in it's okay. And numb is not bad, and numb is good. They say you need meat.
The red meat,
you need meat. And so Ghana for sometimes. And I'm not good for phone, so it does change for
phone. Yeah. So I'm not just like you have a good life.
That's the problem. You can have a good life without eating like that because certain and people Ghana for what hypertension. Woman name some more hypertension.
Oh, okay.
Woman name some more hypertension. Your problem.
Bibi oha aka say e kan wasema na ewie for hypertension ni stroke no.
Yeah. I just also because a very important say hypertension what we take it serious. As see taking it serious because I feel who say young men in their 20s and their 30s no more hypertension.
Wow.
And they got to pressure people, be our internet, so be up away tension people,
Yeah.
And before you know it, now when you're stroke. Kind of 4P. In your stroke.
Okay. And you know, about our sipas and Oba Island Media so near a bedding committee say. We about Tana and your sister, Akutu Mansa. Kutu Sewa. Akutu Sewa Kutu. Sister Sewa Kutu, and then friend Sister Jackie, you know. Sewa Kutu, and Nana Meti.
Right. Yeah.
Wait me the ABA number and I say, and
the information,
remember, I area to you, and I say, wo email ana wo pese wo friend no na obisa question bi wo ebi a obusuani bi ana wo ankasa wo condition yeti saa no na wo pɛ ho solution a wo friend na obetumi aboa wo saa kwan no so obusuan ha Island Media Ghana edamase se na ne da wodi kan waba e program so a obe subscribe to your channel no na wa like your video no wa share ama afufuro anya bi ahwe edamase bye